In federal court, another setback for DACA recipients who now have to wait for the fate of the program to be heard at the U.S. Supreme Court.
So we still have a while before we get an ultimate decision on the fate and the future of DACA.
Josh Stallings with nonprofit Juntos Community is using this time as an advocate to focus on what Colorado can do in the meantime.
Our state has passed a number of laws to make Colorado a more welcoming and friendly state for immigrants, for undocumented immigrants specifically.
Legislation like Senate Bill 2177 in 2021, for instance, that allowed DACA recipients without a social security number to receive professional licenses.
However, a lot of times when these laws are passed, there's not enough work and follow-up done to make sure they're implemented well. And so a huge thing that we're doing in Juntos Community is we are talking with the community and we're getting feedback from the community about what are your experiences with these laws and programs, what are the barriers that still exist.
To get that feedback, Juntos Community has launched an online survey, hoping to learn what Colorado could do differently on the legislative side.
But there's so much that can be done at the state level too.
While the federal program is in limbo, they hope the feedback creates new solutions for people waiting for answers about their future.
And we want to make sure that our community is fully educated and informed of their rights.
The survey is in both English and Spanish to make it more accessible as well. Besides the digital survey, they also plan to do in-person listening sessions for more direct feedback.
So much to think about and so much uncertainty all the way around. They might not know anything for a while.
Yeah, this has been going on for years and years, and there's some kind of decision hopefully within the next year, but that doesn't necessarily mean good news, right, for people who are DACA recipients. And most importantly here, it could also mean that several people would be at risk of losing their work permits, thousands of people in the state, depending on how that decision goes.
Yeah. All right, we'll follow it. Thanks, Angeline.